in Miami. This week we are on the Space Coast. We are going to see a rocket launch tonight and go do some more exploring, so come along with us. Hey, I'm Pam, and this is my husband Audie. Together we are Salty Devotions. We sold almost everything we own, moved from Louisiana to the beautiful blue waters of Florida to eventually live out our dream and buy a sailboat. So come along with us for this adventure.
said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent? He's busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Just make it go away. Can't take another day. Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so give him something worse to pass the time.
Hey guys, so we just ate at Shiloh's. It was very good. We really enjoyed it. We had the crab cakes. It was really good. But it is also a great place if you want to watch the rocket launch, You can see right over there.
Just make it go away. Can't take another day. Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so give him something worse to pass the time.
All right, guys, so we were hoping to get a sunset launch. Unfortunately, the weather had different plans, and the launch has been postponed. So it was originally supposed to be like, I guess around 7:30-ish. Now it's been pushed back to like 9:15. So we are hanging out in the truck and waiting for that launch. So stay with us. All right, guys, so we are back again. Last night's rocket launch got rained out. So we came back again today, and we're hoping to catch the rocket launch this afternoon. All right, guys, so we don't know why, but the launch has been pushed back again. Do you see that? We were at a little over an hour not too long ago, and Audie checked the app again, and now it's been pushed back. So we're 2 hours and 11 minutes now. Let's hope it doesn't get pushed back again. We are T-minus 1 hour. Let's go.
Pam's patiently waiting for the rocket. We are under 1 hour. We are ready to see the SpaceX rocket launch. She's playing her games, just waiting. We kept seeing a couple little manatees out there.
20 minutes to liftoff. right, guys, we are back in the truck after watching the rocket launch. It was so cool. We were 13 miles away and we were still able to hear the roar of the engines and see all the lights. It was really something to see. But as usual, thanks again for subscribing. Hit the like button and follow us next week.